So, laging ganyan. Hindi siya naglo-load because of this error. So, hi guys, so good morning. So lately hindi tayo makapag-scan ng GCash. Look at this. Tingnan nyo 100 pesos. Natin na 100 pesos or yan GCash. Tapos for example dyan, hindi gagana yun. So sa Maya, pwede ka na mag-Maya. Pero if ever na hindi mo ma-open yung Maya mo, so may better way ako. Let's try this one first. Tingnan natin kung okay ba siya. So for example, yan ang number natin. So, laging ganyan. Hindi siya naglo-load because of this error. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang is this. So, pag mag-add funds ako for example ng 100 pesos. Yan, for example 100 pesos is dinidirect ko dito sa Maya wallet. Pero just in case wala kang Maya, don't worry about it. Except for wala kang Maya. Pero gusto mo mag-scan lang. So, all you have to do is i-transfer mo yung GCash funds mo to your GoTime account. Kasi ang GoTime account, okay, if you don't know what GoTime, ito yun, parang download kayo yan, GoTime Bank. Download kayo ng app na yan. And then, after that, open kayo ng Maya wallet. Right? Pag open nyo sa Maya wallet, scan nyo tong QR. Open ka muna ng GoTime account mo, which is this one, right? Then hindi ako sa Maya mag-scan, dito ako sa GoTime mag-scan. Look at this, yan, may 100 dyan. GoTime ko siya, scan QR code, GoTime, and then click next, and then pay. So nagpay ako ng 100 pesos dyan sa GoTime. So pwede siya as long as you're gonna connect it to your, gamitin mo lang yung Maya account, and then dun ka mag-scan sa GoTime mo. First is kailangan mo i-send yung GCash balance mo to your GoTime e-wallet account, and then doon ka sa mag-scan sa GoTime. Alright? So, yan lang. Thanks guys.